North American Trade School is a great partner in making sure that we have people that are trained to do those trade types of jobs, such as diesel mechanic. When the Francis Scott Key Bridge collapsed last year, we were granted funds from the Maryland Department of Labor for a grant to help support the recovery and rebuilding of the bridge. Found out that, well, we don't have enough diesel mechanics for all the heavy equipment that's going to be used to help build that bridge. So we wanted to reach out and find an education partner that could help get our residents ready for those roles when they become available, and North American Trade Schools was a perfect match for us. We also realized that not everyone wants to go to college. There are those people that like the trades, and we need that skill set. I want people to understand that college may not be for everyone, and there are other options for you to take care of yourself and your family. And if that is your position, then you can come to an American Job Center, see whether or not you qualify for services, and we would be more than happy to walk you through the process and see what we can do to help you reach your educational and employment goals. One of the first places you can start is North American Trade Schools.